everyone and welcome along to my little Makers Central vlog. I met loads of you over the weekend and I just wanted to mention a few people before we jump straight in. Mr. Resin, really good talking to you. Gail, you know who you are. You can crack on with them coasters. Right, I know you can do it. Special thanks to Emily from Vista for doing the raffle for me. We got South Warwickshire Forestry, done a little interview with Kevin from there. Ben Scott, all about the olive wood. The Grain Company, had a really good chat with the Grain Company, fantastic company, check them out if you can. I'll stick all of these down in the description of this vid so you can find them easy. What's that? Cynic's Wall Art and Toon Fish Crafts. My partner Leah says it's Toon Fish, but I don't know, Toon Fish, but check them out anyway. We got the Carcass Tweaking, Tree Carcass Tweaking, and Becky Thornton and BD Oxy, and on the back of that one, Wood and Things. I will try again to stick all the description. Oh, handicraft up there. I'm starting to get myself a little wall going on, so of stickers and stuff. But the person I really want to tell you about, who I met, is this guy, Wheels Dan. What a guy! Please check this guy out. I mean, it's fantastic stuff. He's got more subs than I have, which I'm quite jealous about. So he should be really promoting me. No. Anywho, he's an awesome guy that does all sorts of stuff. All right, he does wood turning. He does scuba diving. He's done Tough Mudder in a wheelchair. All sorts of stuff. So go over and check him out. The guy deserves a lot more views and a lot more subs. Check it out. We'll jump straight in now. So we are at the end of day one at Makers Central. We've had a fantastic day here. Met loads and loads and loads of people. Sold a couple of things as well, but the most important thing I think is meeting all of you guys and saying hello. This is our stand. We're back again tomorrow for day two, where we will be doing the draw. We've got a raffle running, so many of you bought tickets. We'll be doing the we'll be doing the draw for the raffle tomorrow about 4 o'clock, and I'll put that on YouTube so that everybody can see it done properly. It's Makers Central day 2. Just gonna have a little wander around, cup of coffee, see what's about. Axminster tools over here. Dremel. And check this one out down here. This one's well cool. Here's the Ghostbusters. You caught anything yet?
We're just perusing at the moment.
Oh, yeah?
Just doing a quick...
Basically, I was too lazy to carry my camera like this, so I put it on the back of there.
You did put it on there.
Yeah. It moves itself then.
Yeah, cool. This is a creator van. This is really actually quite cool. Arts and craft creator van, caravan. Brilliant idea. Do things during the day. Lathe over there.
Pottery.
Pottery. You can see the Ghostbusters that we just chatted to down there, look. And that's the Michelin Man, is it not?
Yes.
That's quite cool. What was that? Muffin Puppet. Muffin Puppet. House of Resin. I'll take a closer look around House of Resin in a bit. As you might know, I've got a thing for resin. Got a thing for resin. Lumberjack tools. Oh, I could spend all day in there. Look at that. Merca. Better not go there, it's too much money. Down here we've got Surrey Timbers, who's one of our timber suppliers. They got some quality stuff in here. We'll just take a quick look around, because if I stay too long I'll spend too much money again. But yeah, just a quick look of what they got. Some quality stuff. Just a small selection of their timbers that we use. Over here, Robot Wars. I don't know if I'm allowed to actually say Robot Wars. It's just called Robots. Robots Live. They got during the day. They got robots going on there, fighting. It's very loud. Oh, Vectric stand. This is the program that I use on my CNC, Vectric. I used to use the simple programs to do the clocks and stuff. So I might have to drill these guys later on. Give me some free files. Make some good stuff, look at that. That's cool, right? And then we've got the main stand. We haven't actually seen any of this, obviously, so we don't see very much of it, because we're in our little stand. That's why we're coming out early. People to chat to all day. What's this? Yeah, it's 10-minute workshop. Follow these guys on YouTube. Some good stuff. Oh, more tools. So I've got to start I've got to practice walking past these places. Oh, win a lathe. £10 a ticket. You know, that's going to suck out all our profit from this weekend. We're not actually making any profit at all.
No, we're not.
But
do you know
it's
what?
good fun down here. Networking. Open up and puppet. Tiny Turner. Oh, right now. Look at the stuff, look at this. It's well cool. Look at the Tiny Turner. It's on Instagram, follow on Instagram. It's got good stuff. More Turner's tools. Walk past, Woodstock, walk past. Look at this, oh my days. Look at this stuff. Oh, lovely bits. Look at those. Lovely bits of you there. Have a look in here. Have a pew in here.
Yeah, chill out for a minute.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'll shift it. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah. So where are you from then?
So Warwickshire, South Warwickshire, near
South Warwickshire.
yeah, south of Warwick.
Wow, I've not heard of you before. You do some awesome stuff.
Yeah, we've done it. We're tree surgeons.
Yeah.
We've got a mill, and then because Morty and my friends following all the stuff on YouTube,
Yeah.
or makers, we talk about it, and then also so we just started making stuff for the show. We got ourselves in here, and then used that as a point to make stuff. So we did that. Yeah, I did the chairs. Tom
These are
operates,
great.
operates the mill.
These are great, and that's
it's all
how a
from
little
all
sit
the
in them.
timbers from Warwickshire.
I want these in the garden.
Oh, it's actually really comfortable.
These are awesome in the garden.
Yeah. That's
They're
really
all right
cool.
to go outdoors, aren't they?
Yeah. So they've been treated. They've got about 3 coats of Danish oil, and then what we can do is you can just keep applying that. So every year
Yeah.
you can just up and down the fire.
Nice.
It makes it richer. The grain pops, the more you do that, the more it pops out.
And
the
you
more you sit on it, and it's like, the more like you do it, the more you touch it, the more
Yeah.
the grain
Yeah.
pops out.
And you sell the planks as well, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you,
So-
are they kiln dried or are they air
No, so
dried?
everything's air dried.
Yeah.
We're building a kiln
Right.
at the moment. So we're on a farm and we're building up our yards as we're actually progressing. Yeah.
Wow, brilliant.
That's awesome.
That's brilliant. We're going to look you up, definitely. We're on Woodstock Resin Works, just round the
Okay,
corner.
yeah. Oh, wicked.
Yeah,
Well,
come and
look,
say hi.
Yeah.
Come and say hi. We'll
Yeah,
take
I'll
some
come
stuff.
and do that. Oh, that'd be awesome.
Yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
thanks very much.
No worries, lovely to meet you.
Yeah, and you, mate.
Yeah. What's your name?
Richard.
Richard,
Richard
Kevin.
Woodstock, Kevin. Lovely.
Leah.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Is that right to go on YouTube, yeah? Cheers, mate. Thank you.
That was awesome. Yeah, if
Cheers.
you could just hit us up, if you wouldn't mind, because we haven't got much of a presence.
No, nor have I. I'm just trying to get. I'm trying to work myself up.
South Warwickshire Forestry.
Yeah, I'll stick that on there.
That's like the longest instant.
We're gonna get that on there, guys. Hit up these guys, man. They've got some quality stuff. Brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, Kevin.
Yeah,
Cheers, mate. Yeah, come and say hello. Wow. I could spend all day in a place like that, honestly. It's a mucking fuppet. The mucking fuppet. Ah! And here is Vista Resins. This is what I use. This is Vista Resin, look.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, again.
This is Vista Resins. This is the resin that I use. All right to chuck a bit on YouTube
Yeah, can't.
for you on my channel. Look at what they're doing here. Look at this.
This is
Got some
art,
skill.
isn't it?
Yeah, I don't do this bit.
What do you do?
I just do resin work. I'm Woodstock Resin Works. I'm just down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I don't do like the artistry stuff.
Oh, okay.
I do like tables and things and
Yeah.
all that. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
But I've been using your resin for about a year now. I used to use, but I changed to yours now because it's better.
So this is all my stuff, like the large ocean pieces.
Yeah.
So I don't actually work.
It's really
with
cool.
stuff, but yeah, I love it.
Which one are you using for that one? Are you using
Turbo.
Turbo?
Yeah.
I've not used the turbo yet. I was thinking about using the turbo for sealing
I love
because
it.
it's what's the
So
drying time on the turbo?
what's about 6 hours?
6
So I
hours,
can
yeah.
get yesterday afternoon.
Is it dry?
Yeah, literally all of the drips are. Yeah.
That's brilliant.
It's well, we're actually going to pour another layer this morning, and I'm going to take it home this afternoon.
Wow.
See how it goes.
Yeah,
But yeah,
it's really good.
I love turbo.
I love the ocean because I can just pour and pour and pour and pour and pour. It's brilliant. And then just wait. It's fantastic. Thank you very much. Cheers. Yeah, come say hello. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Ooh, what's this? It's interesting. Oh, that's that thing that the guy was turning. It's wood twisting the woods round. Look, we do one for all the American viewers. For all you American viewers, check out what they got at the front here. Obviously, mock-ups, I think. Look at that, DeLorean. Hey McFly! And, check it! Yeah, it's back to the 80s and 90s, isn't it? Back to the childhood. Michael Knight. I've no idea what this is. So if anybody knows, let me know. I have no idea. Don't know what it's supposed to be. Master Maker and Mrs. Breaker. Well, that's probably somebody that I should know on YouTube, so I'll look them up in a bit, but I should know them. Morning. Hello, this is Charlie the Maker. I watched a couple of his videos last night. Say hello, Charlie. Hello. This is the video that we watched last night. Look, check it out. Yeah, really nice that.
That's awesome. awesome.
Yeah, I've got all his merch here and his dad's merch and that. And if you didn't know, his dad's Nick Zametti. Shameless plug there to get my YouTube count up. But yeah, really good videos, Charlie. Well done, mate. Little Nick's t-shirts. Happy days. Makers Central merch. Might get some of that later on. And look, check it out, Oddie's oil. I use Oddie's oil on some of my products. We'll have another little wander around a bit later on, I think. Hopefully, if it all dies down a little bit, just a little bit before we pack up, because we've got a long day today, so I might not be able to get any more footage. So if I don't, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time for another build, hopefully next time. So hi guys, it's time for the Woodstock Resin Works live draw, not live, but you know what I mean. We're going to do the draw. We've got over our independent adjudicator. This is Emily from Vista Resins. This is the resin that I use. Check them out if you can. They have got all the resins for all the different projects that you need. Brilliant, brilliant resin. Right, we're going to put all the numbers in the bag. We're going to give them a shake. And Emily's going to draw the third prize. This is for the candle holder, guys.
Good luck, everybody.
Just the one.
Just the one.
And it is
81.
81.
81. Right. Look that up.
81. Has anybody in the audience got 81? We've got a few people here. Now we're going to draw number 2. This is for the coaster set, guys. Just the one.
Yep. 64.
64.
Bag a good shape.
I gave the bag a good shake. I don't want to lose them all. And this is the number 1, guys. This is what you've all been waiting for. Look. Good old Resin, everybody. 162. Anybody here got 162?
Well done.
Thanks very much for playing, everybody.
162.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks very much. Thank you very much, Emily.
Thank you. Thank you for having me
cheers.
on.
Check out Vista Brilliant Resins. Cheers.
you.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.